Good morning, and thank you for joining us this morning for our Infinit-I Quiz Engine webinar. Let me introduce myself. I am Chuck Price, the Director of Client Success with Infinit-I, and I am excited to be here with you today. Presenting today will be Amy Bryant, who's one of our amazing Client Success representatives. Amy, why don't you tell everyone a little bit about yourself?
Sure. Good morning, everyone. My name is Amy. I've been here with Infinit-I for about 4.5 months. I've got about 25 years in client success in various different roles. I love helping our customers and showing them how our system can best work for them.
Awesome. Well, we're definitely excited and delighted to have you with us today. And so we're going to jump right in. So some of the things that we've had in version 1 was the gray overlay screen, which we've redesigned to make more aesthetically pleasing to the eye. It's also smoother and more user-friendly. There are a few options that we've removed. So the continue button has now been eliminated, as well as a learning session complete screen to give you a more fluid experience when it comes to utilizing the quiz engine. Some of the newly added features that we have is going to be the summary page, where you would have the opportunity to retake a quiz, restart, and also get an incorrect answer summary. These options are actually centralized on the summary page for ease of use, so you can actually go to each part of the quiz engine right from the summary page. Additional features we have added is the randomized questions, where the questions will rotate every time you pass through with every attempt. And then more testing details, and again, very user-friendly. And we're not done yet. Stay tuned for a live demonstration and also future updates as we continue to work on version 3. Amy, you take it away.
Sure. Thank you, Chuck. The screen that you're seeing now is a snapshot of what the questions now look like in version 2. You'll notice the gray overlay is gone. You'll also notice that right below the word classroom, it has the name of the assignment as well as the name of the content. On this screen here, you'll notice there is a previous button that now allows the user to go back to the previous question. If they think maybe they answered something incorrectly, or need to think about it a little longer, they can hit that previous button and review and change their answer. You'll also notice on this final question screen, there's a complete button instead of continue. And once that button is pushed, it takes you to the next screen, which is going to show you your test detail summary page. On the left-hand side of the screen there, you've got the quiz engine testing training results for a failed test. You'll notice there's a view incorrect summary button, restart content, and restart quiz. From this screen, your user can click the view incorrect summary if that is a feature that you have turned on to see which answers or which questions they got incorrect and those correct answers that correspond with them. You have an easy restart content that will just start the content all the way over so they can watch the video or review the PDF, whatever your content is on that assignment. And then there's restart quiz, where the quiz will restart without the content. On the right-hand side there, you see a completed summary that is passed. It shows total questions, total correct, passing grade requirements, the grade that was obtained, and then here's where your test detail button will be. All right, and this is going to be the incorrect summary results. Again, it's similar to the one that we currently have, just a little easier to get to. Shows the name of the assignment, here the content, which questions were incorrectly answered, and the correct answer that goes with them. All right, and this is going to be the test detail screen. You'll see here at the top, again, name of the assignment, the user that completed the assignment, date and time that the assignment was completed, passing grade, requirement, and then the grade that was obtained. It also shows all the questions contained within the assignment and which answers were selected during the quiz taking process. This message here will pop up if at any time your user chooses to hit that back or X button during the quiz. They will get a warning letting them know that they've not completed the quiz. If they choose OK, it will exit. If they choose cancel, it'll pick them up right where they left off and not exit the quiz. All right, I'm going to show you guys a live demo. I've got a quiz set up for this purposes here, and we're going to go through it once and complete it incorrectly and then once correctly, just to show you how it will randomize the questions and what those different results will be at the end. And for this purpose, I've just chosen one that's simply a PDF. We're not going to go through all the content. We're going to skip straight to the quiz. You'll notice here, again, name of the assignment, name of the content. And we're just going to pick some answers here. And I am going to go ahead and fail this one on purpose, just so that we can get that incorrect passing, or I'm sorry, failed summary at the end to show you those features live. Okay, here there's 5 questions. I've got 0 correct, all 5 of them incorrect. My passing grade requirement was 100. My grade that I got was a 0. My status tells me to try again. From here, I can choose view incorrect summary. That's going to take me and show me every question that I got wrong and the answers that I should have chosen. From here, I can choose to restart the content, which will take me back to the PDF. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and choose to restart the quiz. And this time, we're going to pass it. You'll notice also here on the screen and on the question screen, there's a gray bar that does not distinguish a correct or incorrect answer. That's simply just to allow your user to be able to differentiate the different answer choices. And this is a passing quiz summary results screen. Again, you see the total questions, number correct, required grade, the grade obtained, and then the status will say passed. Easy button here, test details, take you straight to that page showing all of your user information, assignment information, date and time, as well as each answer that was selected for each question. And I believe that's it. Chuck?
Thank you, Amy, for that great tour of the quiz engine. In order to utilize the new features of the quiz engine, there are a few steps you would have to take in order to ensure that they are showing in the quiz engine. The first step is to go to your settings, click the settings tab, and as you scroll down, you see the different options available to you. You want to make sure that the random question order is toggled on, as well as a summary page. And then you have your subcategories of the restart content, restart quiz, and the test details. This will allow you to customize the summary page. There were a few questions that came in the chat. One of the most commonly asked questions was, can you still require our users to rewatch the video? The answer is yes, you can still require users to rewatch videos. Another commonly asked question was, can you turn the incorrect summary off? That is still an option, and that option is available to you when you create the assignments. And one final question, will we need a new link for the updates? No, you won't need a new link. You will just simply go into your settings and toggle on and off the different options that you would like on your summary page, as well as the random question order, as I showed in this demo. Right. Well, we definitely want to encourage anyone who has any more questions to reach out to our client success team. We are more than excited to help in this new rollout of our quiz engine and the future updates that are to come. So please definitely give us a call or shoot us an email just to let us know. Also, a little bit of feedback and how you're liking it out there. One thing I want to do is encourage our current clients to take advantage of our Infinit-I business review. They're performed quarterly, and they are included as part of your contract. What we'll do is review various data points with your site as far as your quarterly assignments, your custom content that's added to the system, user participation, and et cetera. This is all reconciled with your CSA scores, and we'll discuss how to address problems that you may be having in your safety program. This is a great opportunity to leverage the Infinit-I platform to continue to build your safety culture. These only take about 30 to 45 minutes. Also, for all of our participants today, we have a special offer. We'd like to offer you better truck driving jobs. Here at Infinit-I, we definitely understand how tough it is to go out and recruit and get good talent in your companies. So please take advantage of our better truck driving jobs. And with that being said, we really appreciate you all today. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to speaking with you later. Thank you.
Thank you, Chuck.